Mathematics is one of the most fundamental disciplines in our world today. Whether it's in medicine or in the environment or in finance or in computing, mathematics is at the foundation of this.
We're producing a lot of data, and data is, I guess, in my opinion, is the new gold, right? There's so much we can learn from this data. It can help us sleep better, it can help us eat better, it can help us be more productive.
I love using math to have a real impact on people's lives. Trying to get people the best healthcare they can is really an optimization problem. It's all about the math, it's all about the modeling and what we can do to make it better.
The University of Waterloo is uniquely positioned to address the most significant challenges our planet faces. The M4 building is a really exciting project, a critical part of bringing together math, statistics, and computer science. It is about building up the strengths in data science, connecting it within the Faculty of Math, but then with colleagues right across the university as well as in the external community.
I think one of the big things is that student space is in demand. Having those places for students to hang out and sort of organically be able to meet and work with each other is really important. I think that's how you keep people invested in mathematics, is doing it together.
Computing uses a significant amount of energy, and it's only supposed to be growing with the advent of AI and machine learning. The server room that we're going to put into the 5th floor of that M4 building, that's where we can really shine, because it'll be a setup where we have extremely good insight from measuring power consumption with the computation that's currently going on. I also hope that this can be some sort of flagship facility, say, for Canada.
Privacy and security is one of the major kind of big challenges that big data has, right? Because we don't know what information is being collected. We don't know how and who is using this information. In developing secure systems, private systems, that requires us to have access to machines where I can run these algorithms, test them, and the infrastructure part of M4 is definitely going to be helpful in that.
The CEMC is the outreach arm of the Faculty of Mathematics. The CEMC is really excited about the possibility of new spaces in M4, new spaces where we can bring student groups in, a chance to be able to bring people into new and exciting spaces that are alive with light and possibilities for engagement in groups.
Waterloo's developed a reputation for innovation and entrepreneurship.
There are so many people here that all care deeply about mathematics. We really are a cornerstone of this university.
I see the quality of students. We have excellent students. I'm so impressed with the amount of sophistication they bring. I believe that expanding university is our way of continuing to provide this support, continuing to attract these, really bright minds.
It is so important as we look at a big project like this that we have supporters who are interested and willing to walk alongside us and help us achieve this vision.